GAT General and GNET Mathematics portion. Question 51. Smith answered all 120 questions and scored 90%. How many did he get correct? Find 90% of 120. 120 by 90 divided by 100 equals 108. So Smith got 108 questions correct. Question 52. Solve 31/10 times 3/10 plus 7/5 divided by 20. First multiply. 31 times 3 is equal to 93. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So, 93/100. Now divide. 7/5 divided by 20 is equal to 7/5 times 1/20 equals 7/100. Now add 93/100 plus 7/100 equals 100/100 equals 1. Final answer is 1. Question 53. How many 1/8 are there in 37.5? Convert. 37.5 equals 37.5. Now divide by 1/8. 37.5 divided by 1/8 is equal to 37.5 times 8 equals 300. So there are 300 1/8. Question 54. Solve the expression. First solve the numerator, 121 minus 16 by 2. 16 times 2 is equal to 32. 121 minus 32 is equal to 89. Now denominator, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 89 divided by 8 is equal to 11.125. Final answer is 11.125. Question 55. Evaluate 850 times 10 superscript 2. 10 superscript 2 means 1/100. So, 850 times 1/100 equals 8.5. Final answer is 8.5. Question 56. One worker completes a task in 40 days. 3 more workers join him. How many days now? Total workers, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. More workers means fewer days. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. So the task will be completed in 10 days. Question 57. A boy multiplied a number by 52 instead of 25, and got an answer 324 more than the correct one. Find the number. Let the number be x. 52x minus 25x equals 324. 27x equals 324. X equals 324 divided by 27. Equals 12. So the number is 12. Question 58. Complete the series 100, 200, 310, 430, blank. Check the pattern 100 plus 100, 200 plus 110, 310 plus 120. Next increase should be plus 130. 430 plus 130 is equal to 560. So the missing number is 560. Question 59. What is the sum of angles in a half circle? A half circle forms a straight angle. Straight angle equals 180 degrees. Question 60. Angles are measured in which unit? Angles are measured in degrees and radians. Among the given units, the correct one is radians. Question 61. Solve the expression. Numerator, 169 minus 25 is equal to 144. Denominator, 144. So, 144 divided by 144 is equal to 1. Final answer is 1. Question 62. What is a polygon with 10 sides called? A 10-sided polygon is called a decagon. Question 63. Complete the series 2, 4, 12, 48, 240, blank. Pattern: 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 times 4 is equal to 48. 48 times 5 is equal to 240. Next, 240 times 6 is equal to 1440. So the missing number is 1440. Question 64. If authority becomes heterotua, what will designate become? The word is simply reversed. Designate becomes a tangist. So the answer is a tangist. Question 65. The length of a rectangle is 4 times its width, and the area is 144. Find the perimeter. Let width be W, length becomes 4W. Area of rectangle, length times width equal 144. So, 4W times W equals 144. For W superscript 2 equals 144. W superscript 2 equals 36. W equals 6. Now length, 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Perimeter formula, 2 times, length plus width, equals 2 times open parenthesis 24 plus 6 close parenthesis, is equal to 2 times 30. Equals 60. So the perimeter is 60. Question 66. If China becomes Anak, what will America become? The word is simply reversed. America becomes Asarima. So the answer is Asarima. Question 67. A student gets 4 marks for every correct answer and loses 1 mark for every wrong answer. He attempts all 75 questions and gets 125 marks. Find the number of correct answers. Let correct answers be x and wrong answers be y. First equation, x plus y equals 75. Second equation, for x minus y equals 125. Now add both equations, 5x equals 200. X equals 40. So the student answered 40 questions correctly. Question 68. Complete the series 150, 300, 450, 600 blank. Check the pattern. 150 plus 150 is equal to 300. 300 plus 150 is equal to 450. 450 plus 150 is equal to 600. Next, 600 plus 150 is equal to 750. So the missing number is 750. Question 69. Solve the expression. After simplifying powers and bases carefully, the expression becomes 16 over 81. So the final answer is 16 out of 81. Question 70. If 2 raised to the power n over 2 equals 64, find n. 64 can be written as 2. So 2 caret n slash 2 equals 2. Now compare powers, n slash 2 equals 6. Multiply both sides by 2, n equals 12. So the value of n is 12. Question 71. Find the HCF of 27, 18, and 36. Prime factorization, 18 is equal to 2 times 3 by 3. 27 is equal to 3 times 3 by 3. 36 is equal to 2 times 2 by 3 by 3. Common factors are 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the HCF is 9. Question 72. The population of a town is 32,000 and increases by 15% every year. Find the population after 2 years. First year increase, 32,000 times 15 divided by 100 is equal to 4,800. New population, 32,000 plus 4,800 is equal to 36,800. Second year increase, 36,800 times 15 divided by 100 is equal to 5,520. Final population, 36,800 plus 5,520 is equal to 42,320. So the population after 2 years is 42,320. Question 73. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is 33. Find the largest number. For consecutive numbers, the middle number equals the average. So the numbers are 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Largest number is 36. Question 74. Write 7,900,071 in words. 7 million means 7 million. 900,000 means 900,000. 71 means 71. So the number is 7,900,071. Question 75. Find the value of z when z equals 7x, y superscript 2. Given x equals 5 and y equals 3. First solve y superscript 2, 3 superscript 2 equals 9. Now, z is equal to 7 times 5 times 9. Is equal to 35 times 9. Equals 315. So the value of z is 315.